Welcome back. So the question is the bob A of a pendulum released from 30 degree to the vertical hits another bob B of the same mass at rest. This is bob A, this is bob B. So this is released from this position, which is 30 degree to the vertical axis, right? And this particular bob, which is B, is initially at rest. So how high does the bob A rise after the collision? Negate the size of the bobs and assume that the collision is elastic. This is an elastic collision, thus the transfer of momentum will take place. It is given that bob B at the rest and bob A has some velocity. So in momentum transfer, bob B will gain the velocity in the left direction, whereas bob A will come to rest. Complete momentum transfer takes place in this case. Hence bob A will not rise.